Today, I will explain to you what is Darwin's theory of evolution. So, Charles Darwin, who was born in the 1809, published On the Origin of Species by Natural Selection in the 1895. When it got released, it caused a storm, publicly and intellectually. Most of the immediate reaction was simply due to the misunderstanding and ignorance about what he actually said, which continues till this day.
Besides this, there is not one but actually four sub-theories of evolution. The first one is species change, which is over time and generations, physical characteristics alter, which has been seen in fossils. Number two is the gradual change and alterations which occur in small steps over many generations. Number three is the common descent, which basically means organisms can be traced back to their ancestors like a giant family tree. Now, coming to the number fourth and the most important one, which is natural selection. Natural selection is basically changes that are beneficial, giving the individual a better chance of survival. Conversely, adverse genetic changes give less chances of survival. Natural selection comes in two parts. First, changes can be seen from one generation to the next. This is now known to be random mutations in the genes, for example, caused by natural radiation. In fact, Darwin doesn't know why these changes occurred, just that they just did. Natural selection can be seen in finches from the Pacific. Finches living in neighboring islands had different foods in their surroundings. Some had plenty of nuts but few insects, whereas other islands had more insects but few nuts. When mutation created birds with large beaks, the nut island enabled them to survive better while the thin-beaked birds there died out. However, birds mutating with thin beaks survived better in insect island. Animals fitting into the environment in this way is called the survival of the fittest. The concept of survival of the fittest helps explain the variety and distribution of the living organisms of the same type, both alive and dead. Survival of the fittest does not necessarily mean the strongest, because if that was the case, the dinosaurs would have still existed. What it actually means is animals that are best suited for the environment. Well, I hope you get an idea from this video what Darwin's theory of evolution is, and hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.